Hi parents and teachers. Today I wanted to share a tip with you about helping students with their tricky facts. We all have those facts that students have trouble with and have a harder time with and take them longer to memorize. And so as you know, we always want to build on what students already know and then take them to what they don't know yet. So I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to do that for multiplication. Okay, for this strategy, you can use any kind of blank paper to help students see what's happening. Today, I have printed off some grid paper that you can print off for free from the TEA website, and it's the actual size and look of the paper students in 3rd through 5th grade will use when they take their test. And so I like to have students practice with it so they're comfortable with it and know how it can help them show their thinking and work out problems. So for today, we're going to start with a tricky fact that students might see. So we're going to look at 7 times 6. And I don't know about you, but if you've ever given a problem like this to your student or your own child, you might get a response such as, I don't know that one, I don't know my 6s or 7s yet, or I forgot that one, or they try to count it out and they make a mistake. And so today we're going to look at a way to start at, again, what they do know so we can build off of that. So if they don't know 7 times 6, what we can think about that is close to that they would know is 7 times 5. And so often you'll ask students if they know 7 times 5, and they can either tell you automatically or count by 5s very quickly to get to 35. So what we're doing is we're breaking this 6 up into 2 parts. We're going to break it into 5 and 1 to make it easier. So first we'll start with what they did know, which was 7 times 5. So I would have them draw that on their paper. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and label that. And then our other side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and label that. And then complete their rectangle. And then we could count by 5s if they needed to. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So far we have 35. So we figured out 7 times 5 is 35, but we know we still need one more group of 7. So far we only have 5 groups of 7 and we need 6. So I'm going to add on in a different color so we can see it visually. One more group of 7. And then we can start with what we already know, which was 35, and count up 7 more. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. And so now we know that 6 times 7 is 42. So here you can see up close what that looks like. And so I would have students practice multiple problems that way until they got comfortable with that strategy and seeing what it looked like and having the grids there to help them count. But then eventually our goal would be for them to be able to do that mentally in their head. So if we gave them a fact such as 8 times 6, and they already know 8 times 5 is 40. They just need one more group of 8, and 40 plus 8 more is 48. So you would continue practicing like that. I hope this was helpful, and I'll be back with more tips soon.